In this video, I will show you how to add a credit or debit card on Amazon. So in order to do this, the process is actually quite simple to do, but make sure you do follow the steps carefully to make sure you can do this and add a card to your Amazon account. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video. I will be doing this on a laptop today, so if you're following along on a mobile device, what you're going to want to do is open up a mobile browser and come across to Amazon that way. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do once you come across is log into your account, and then you want to come up to the top right hand corner and hover over your name to get a drop down box that's going to look like this. From here, under your account, you're going to want to click onto the top option which actually says your account. What it's going to do is take you across to a page that's going to look like this, and from here this way you can actually come to add a credit or debit card. What you need to do from here is simply locate the your payments option, which is this box here, and give that a click. And what it's going to do is bring up Amazon Wallet, which is going to have all your current cards and accounts in. To add a new card from here, all you need to do is just scroll down and you want to make sure you're on Wallet. So if you look at the top, we've got Amazon Pay and then Overview, Wallet, Transaction and Settings. What you want to do is make sure you're clicked onto Wallet, and then you want to scroll down the page. So you see down the bottom, we've actually got this section which says add a payment method. So you can actually give this a click, and what this can do is add a credit or debit card. So of course from here, all you need to do is click onto here where it says add a credit or debit card, and then you would just simply go out and put your details in, so your card number, name on card, expiration date, click the add your card button, and that's going to add it for future purchases. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then please drop a like on the video, and if you're looking for more tips, tricks and tutorials for Amazon, then make sure you do click the on screen video. That's going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Amazon. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tutorials, tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.